Properties once again. Out in the Sun River area. Stopped at our first spot, and this is Alex's most desirable, she said. But it looks like there's a lot of work being done on the area right now. Maybe there's people living here. I don't know. But I think the structures, not the RV, but the structures, the buildings, the barn is all included. Partially developed, half acre, so you can see it doesn't go back too far probably. Alex said it's the 2 outbuildings and the RV parking pad is what's included here with the half acre. What'd you say about it?
Pretty good, unique.
Pretty good and unique.
Would need a little work.
Not much though.
Not much work.
Honestly, not much at all. I like it. I could see this being viable for us.
Yeah, it's close to Bend.
It is pretty close to Bend.
And Bachelor.
About 20 minutes and it's right off the highway. Alright, are we looking for the next place?
Yeah.
You want to punch into your GPS?
Yes.
Alright, we'll get there.
I feel weird because there's like, this is 135K.
There it goes.
Sad.
So what is this one supposed to include?
Utilities at street.
Alright. And it's another... It's 135 here?
Yeah.
I don't like this one. This one's weird.
Yeah.
It's in a very, very nice neighborhood. But the property itself is like heavily developed in a very bizarre manner. You can see it's like this gravel pad that it's been built up onto, a couple of feet. My guess is this lot has some irrigation issues. Just looking at the surrounding landscape and stuff, how it's all pretty pitched right into it, but like I said, some very nice neighbors. Alex is thinking that the river's nearby. This is the one where like you got to go through a neighbor's property to get to the river. Yeah, so I think the river's like just over that way or just over that way. And kind of a nice paved road that it's off of. I mean, there's a lot of stuff for sale around here. You can see even that one's for sale right now. So, nice area. Nicely developed, but just in a weird manner, and I think it's not what we're looking for exactly.
I wrote down, feels like a campsite.
It does feel like a campsite. Looking at the coordinates for the next one already. Alright, then we're gonna get moving. So we found the for sale sign in the lot, but like they built this big circular gravel turnaround in it. I'm not sure what that's all about. It's the strangest thing. A big lot, very nicely cleared. Alex says it's got electricity at the street, which obviously shouldn't be too difficult in my opinion. And yeah, it looks cool. It's like, again, all these properties that we visited so far are like 5 minutes away from each other. It's cool that like everything is pretty closely knit and everything is like similar to some degree and different in others, so that's neat. And yeah, this is a nice area, Sun River area right now, so this is a cool lot. I kind of like it. Let's see what Alex thinks. What do you think, Alex?
I think that the driveway makes the land feel smaller, but I'm indifferent.
You're indifferent? I kind of like it. It gives us a good starting ground, I feel like.
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like we can even start developing structures on this weird turnaround driveway thing if we wanted to, you know? Like maybe use all this gravel that we're on right now as building, and then we have like 2 separate driveways sort of thing.
This one is 69K.
Ooh, that's very reasonable. That's like one of the most affordable we've even looked at so far.
It's the lowest one. It's the cheapest one on my list.
Honestly?
And I like that it's cleared.
If we had to make a decision today, I would choose this one. I like this one.
I'd choose the first one.
electricity access. What amenities the
No,
first one?
it says cleared, no utilities.
Oh shoot! I thought we said that we.
Oh, wait.
We're on this one.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's not 65K. It's 95K, and there are yes utilities.
Okay, electricity at the street, and it's 95K.
Well, you're losing me a little bit, but it is very nicely cleared. Like, I'm pretty sure it probably goes all the way back to that building. I could see some like fence posts randomly back there. Are you all primed and ready for the next spot then?
I guess so.
Is the next spot the cheap one?
I'm not sure yet.
Well, I'm excited to look at the next one either way. I'm glad I got those new windshield wipers. It makes it look a lot better. Oh, here's our sign. Alright. This is insane. Alex said it's a 2,000 foot?
Yeah.
2,000 foot workshop area. Looks like it's got some. Well, I'll pop out and we can look at it from this way. This place is big, obviously, probably occupied, but there's a big door for the RV right there. Actually, there's big doors everywhere here. What am I talking about? Every door is enormous on this thing. Big overhang for parking. Obviously, very nicely developed already. And this is also the most expensive one, possibly the most expensive we've looked at so far. Maybe not. There's another very developed one that we looked at in Lapine that was similar. But this one's pretty pricey. Alex, how much does this one cost? 300K, all right. And it's got all the amenities in it already, right? No sewers. Where's all our poopy go?
That's a great question.
Gross. I don't want to know what they're doing.
I wrote down that there is no room to build a house, so if the garage is just like bare bones, I don't really know if we could make it into a house.
Yeah, this is expensive, and it's not ideal for us at the moment, I feel like. If I had some more like work involving garages or projects or something, maybe, I could see this working out good for us then. Because I'm doing the exact same thing. Look at all these enormous like work shed areas. What is this? Like, this is almost an industrial area.
Yeah.
So strange. All right, let's roll out. Again, nice area, very quiet looking neighborhood. Hey, bunch of realty signs. Okay, these are like completely undeveloped properties, it looks like.
This is it.
Yes, it is. All right, we'll just pull over real fast.
No from me, dog.
So Ben has this weird clause about like not, or for some plots of land only being for recreational use, and you can only have like limited amount of permanent residency on it, like 60 days in a year or something weird like that. I'm not exactly sure how it works. We don't really know. We haven't gotten too deep into the laws of realty in Oregon, but either we got lied to about the listing or we're not in the right place. We're looking for 940. Yeah, this isn't the right place. Onwards. That was it.
That was a big no.
Big no, and it was not cleared at all, and probably just a recreational only area. And
That's
I was
not what we want.
misspoken earlier. It's not Sun River area. It's Three Rivers. I don't know, area. There's a lot of rivers and stuff around here areas. So. Another good area we haven't told. A horse for our neighbor. Hey. Hey, big fella. It's a pretty looking pony. There's a couple of them over there. We could have him as a neighbor. Well, Alex says that's the end of her list.
Yep.
Thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Howdy. Yeah,